Hello everyone, this is David at Grow and Eat This. These are one of my two hydroponic tubs going, and I've got a ton of lettuce here that we need to pick. This is like the third or fourth round of lettuce going in here. It takes the lettuce about a month. When I plant it, it looks like these plants. I use some water and get most of the dirt off the roots and then plant them in here, and within 3 weeks they look like this. Here's some more bok choy. We had some bok choy last night, and I'll show you a nice big bok choy in the back there. So about got these ready to go. Here's 6 more winter density romaine, which has been our favorite romaine to do under the lights with the hydroponics. And then just to keep everything else going good, here's some loose leaf lettuce that I've got new seedlings starting. So we're going to be picking some of this lettuce to have for a salad tonight, and the easiest way to do it is to just come in with a pair of scissors, just start trimming. You can trim it once or twice, and then the plants start to get kind of long, and you have to go ahead and harvest the whole plant and then start it over again. But see, at this stage I can still do a trimming, because you're seeing plenty of new little leaves growing out here. As you look at this one, you can see the little stems here from where I've already trimmed it once. So we're going to trim it again. See, and we'll get one more little batch, but now that the leaves are all starting to grow up, it'll hit the lights pretty quick, and then it's not any good anymore. So, you know, next time it's time to do it in about a week, I'll have to go ahead and harvest the whole plant and then start it over again. So we'll come back over here to this one, and I mean, it's hard to beat lettuce leaves that look like that. They're just as good as it gets. We'll mix this with some, since we've already harvested all my romaine out of here, I think we'll mix this with some store-bought romaine, so this will go further that way. Now there's a romaine back there. And as I've said, this takes 3 weeks to get to this stage once you have a plant in. Also got some red loose leaf lettuce back here. That's hard to say. As you can see, it's just beautiful. Here we're doing back. I'm going to pick a few of these romaine lettuces. This again is the winter density, which gives us a real nice leaf. Wow, look at that leaf. There's a big one. There's another nice big one. I think this is arugula. Let me see. Snip one and try. Now it's just another type of loose leaf lettuce. This right here I know is arugula. We'll snitch some of that in there. And then way back here, you can see there's a nice batch of bok choy coming up out of there. So, and this of course is the one we picked last night for dinner. In fact, it made so much, we're having it again. This is the one that we picked last night for dinner. In fact, we're having it again tonight. Made such a nice big pot, it'll get 2 meals out of it. Now I've got about 6 weeks before I can be starting plants for putting outside. So I think I can start a third one of these and get some more lettuce going, because I got lots of plants coming. And of course, not to let you think that I've given up on things, but look at all the basil we've got growing down here. Boy, does this basil make some great pesto. I don't know how you like to eat pesto, but Chris makes it like a pint of it, and I just eat about a spoonful. I just put a big old spoonful on my plate for dinner, and it's just incredible. So this is a 4-foot rack. I'm going to start a third one of these hydroponics, because I've got 6 weeks and it needs 4 weeks to get a nice harvest. So I got 6 weeks before I need to be starting my peppers and tomatoes for the spring garden. So we're going to expand what we're doing here. Chard's looking good. It's growing in dirt, but it doesn't mind. So this is what we're getting out. Here is here's our bowl of lettuce. Wow, look at all the lettuce in here. This is going to go great for tonight's salad to go with the bok choy that we're having as the main course with dinner. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. It may be 22 degrees outside, but the gardening continues inside. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it if you subscribe. And I do these to try and show you that you too can grow these things and you don't have to spend a lot of money. ShopLite, a couple of trays from Walmart, punch some holes. Man, you're in business and you're eating fresh grown food at home in the middle of January. Once again, thank you for watching. This is David at Grow and Eat This.